In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renewal on your NordVPN subscription. We'll start by opening the NordVPN website in your browser and signing into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Make sure you're on the official site in a secure browser window and give the page a second to fully load so all account options appear. Once you're in, head to the billing area of your account. The billing section is where NordVPN stores all your payment details, invoices, and subscription settings. If you don't see it right away, look along the top or left navigation of your account dashboard for something labeled Billing or Subscription. Clicking into Billing will show you your active plan, renewal date, and payment method. Within your subscription details, look specifically for the auto-renewal setting. This is the toggle or link that determines whether your plan renews automatically at the end of the current term. You may see the status displayed as on or enabled, along with the next charge date. Take a moment to review that information so you know exactly when your current subscription period ends. When you're ready, select the option to turn it off. Depending on your layout, the button may read Turn off auto-renewal or Cancel auto-renewal. The language can vary slightly, but both options have the same effect. They prevent your plan from renewing automatically. Click the button and be prepared for a confirmation message. A confirmation prompt will appear to verify that you want to proceed. Read the message carefully so you understand what will change. Turning off auto-renewal means your service will continue until the end of your current billing cycle, but it won't renew afterward unless you manually restart it. Confirm your decision by clicking the Final Confirmation button. If a short survey appears, you can complete it or skip it. It doesn't affect the outcome. After confirming, give the page a moment to update, then check your subscription details again. You should now see that auto-renewal is disabled and possibly a note indicating your access will expire on the listed date. If the status didn't change right away, refresh the page. For your records, it can be helpful to note the expiration date shown on the screen. That's it. You've turned off auto-renewal on your NordVPN subscription, and your account will not be charged again automatically. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same billing section and toggle it back on.